Project 1, Task 1. On the seedling sales chart worksheet, apply style 5 to the chart. On the seedling sales chart worksheet, apply style 5 to the chart. Okay, just select the seedling sales chart worksheet and select the chart. Then you click on the chart design contextual tab, and here in the chart styles group you select style 5. Okay, that is done. Task 1 mark completed. Now task 2. Switch the rows and column source data of the charts on the seedling sales chart worksheet so the legend is displayed as horizontal axis label. Switch the rows and column source data of the chart on the seedling sales chart worksheet so the legend is displayed as horizontal axis labels. Okay, to do this you select the seedling sales chart worksheet. Okay, is selected already, so you click on the chart. Okay, then go to chart design tab. You select the chart design tab, you click on it. Then in the data group you select switch rows and column. Okay, switch row / column. Okay, that is done. Now task 2 mark completed. Now task 3. Task 3. Insert page 1 of question mark page numbering in the header of the Q1 sales worksheet. When finished, return to normal view. Insert page 1 of question mark page numbering in the header of the Q1 sales worksheet. When finished, return to normal view. Okay, to do this you go to the Q1 sales worksheet, then you go to the insert tab, select the insert tab, you click on it, and in the text group you select the drop down arrow and you select header and footer. So here in the header and footer group you select header, then here is the page 1 of question mark page numbering. Okay, you select this. So the question says when finished, return to normal view. So you go to the view tab, and in the workbook views select normal. Okay, that is done. Task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Copy the data from cell range A4 through E9 on the Q1 sales worksheet and transpose it to the cell range beginning at A4 on the seedling sales worksheet. Copy the data from cell range A4 through E9 on the Q1 sales worksheet and transpose it to the cell range beginning at A4 on the seedling sales worksheet. So now you go to the Q1 sales worksheet. So you select the data from A4 through E9. Okay, so this is A4 through E9 on the Q1 sales worksheet. Then to transpose, you just go to home tab and select copy. Okay, so transpose it to the cell range beginning at A4 on the seedling sales worksheet. Okay, so you go to the seedling sales worksheet, select it. So you just click on cell A4 on the seedling sales worksheet, cell A4. Okay, that is selected. Now you go to the clipboard group, the paste option on the clipboard group. Click on the in the clipboard group, then click on this drop down arrow, then you select transpose. Okay, that is done. So transpose, you just convert rows to columns or columns to row. The row data will be arranged as column data, and the column data will arrange as sales data. You see the in the Q sales worksheet we have it. So this, for instance, this is a row data, the value is the row in the row. Now get to the ceiling sales. Look at this occupying row and go to ceiling sales. You can see it has been changed to column. Same thing for the remaining columns or rows. Rows or columns. Okay, task 4 mark completed. Now task 5. Remove the table formatting from the small 3 sales worksheet, but keep the cell formatting. Remove the table formatting from the small 3 sales worksheet, but keep the cell formatting. Okay, to do this, you go to the small 3 sales worksheet to select it. Now to remove the table format, just click any cell in the table and go to the table design tab. Okay, now in the tools group, you select convert to range. So convert this table into a normal cell, normal range of cells. Okay, so you select this. You can see the table has now been converted to the normal range. So the auto filter as well, auto filters have disappeared, right? Likewise, the table design tab that showed here before, because the table has been converted to normal range, so the table design tab is no more showing. Likewise, the auto filters are not here. Okay, so task 5 mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct.